My dear students, in this video I will take combination of cells, identical cells. Which cells are called identical? If two or more cells, chemical cell, have same electromotive force E and same internal resistance, then they are called identical cells. The EMF generally you can obtain same, but internal resistance may vary, but neglecting that variation we can imagine we can have identical cells. Suppose we have here n cells connected in series across conductor R. Now why do we combine the cells in series or parallel? Actually we want more and more current. If we need large current, then we need more cells, more source of energy. So one combination here is in series combination. So figure shows n cells, identical cells. Each of your inductors are connected to series across R. So total EMF of cells equal to N, and total internal resistance equal to NR by N cells are connected in series, so N resistance are connected in series. So current drawn I, hence current drawn from the combination of cells I equal to Ne upon R plus Nr. You know simple formula कि EMF E है इंटरचार है तो I equal to E upon R plus R. Now we want to see कि how should we connect the cells in series if their resistance is small or large. Number one, if small r very much less than nr, यानी कि resistance of conductor connected across combination is much less than nr, then I will be how much? I equal to Ne upon nr, यानी कि E upon R, यानी कि current will be equal to current supplied by single cell. Hence current supplied by n cells is equal to current supplied by single cell. Current supplied by single cell. So no use of connecting in series. Hence, if internal resistance of cells is large, there is no use of it. So cells having internal resistance large should not be connected in series. Now number 2 case. Number 2. If R much greater than NR, then I will be NE upon R. Then it is N times the current supplied by a single cell. So now current supplied by combination of cells is N times the current supplied by single cell. So we can get more current by connecting them in series, provided they have low resistance. In your torch, you use torch, you connect cell in series there, because filament bulb has high resistance there, much higher than the total internal resistance. So we connect the cell having low resistance in series to obtain large current. Only we can get, if their resistance is large, then there is no use. I think it is very simple. Now parallel combination. Parallel. Parallel combination of identical cell. This is one cell, interfaces R. This is another cell, interfaces R, ER, identical. And so on we connect N cells. We connect N cells across a conductor of resistance R. So every cell will supply the current like this. So total current I will be larger. So figure shows N cells in parallel. So EMF of combination equal to, because in parallel voltage remains same, cells are identical. Equivalent resistance, equivalent internal resistance, equivalent internal resistance R upon N. If we connect N resistance in series parallel, then the 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. This is 3 Z by R, so R equal to. We connect N, then it will be R by N. And hence total current drawn. Total current Chrome, the combination of cells I equal to E upon R plus R by N, which will be equal to N E upon N R plus small r. So this is the expression for current from N cells when they are connected in parallel. Now we take conditions. क्या भाई? Number 1, if N R much greater than small r, then I will be equal to N E upon N R, यानी कि E by R, यानी current equal to supplied by single cell. So if internal resistance is small, there is no use of connecting cell in parallel. You can write here, if internal resistance, if small r, internal resistance is small, then there is no use of connecting cells in parallel. But in series you get large current if internal resistance, so we connect them in series. Parallel no use. Now number 2 condition क्या है? If N R much less than R, then I will be N E upon R equal to with the enhanced current supplied is N times the current supplied by single cell and times the current by single cell. So there is use. So we connect the cells having internal resistance large in parallel to obtain large current. But our primary cells or secondary cells have low resistance generally, and this is done to avoid the excessive heating effect. Because heating effect is I square R T is the heat producing time T, and large heat production may damage the electrode of cell. But now suppose we have cells in such a manner that we can't connect in series nor in parallel. The internal resistance is that there is no advantage of connecting in series, because internal resistance is not large and not small. Then we use what? Mixed combination. Dear student, when you start learning anything, you feel it is very hard. Whatsoever you want to learn, when you started writing letters A, B, C, D, then it was very difficult to for A, B, C, D, है ना? Even in class 12 I find here students are unable. है भाई? तो I will take in next video because लंबा हो जाएगा.